Alright guys, so that screw that was down there, came out of that hole down there, which it's held on right underneath there. Alright, so once you take that out, the heater core will slide right out, just like that. So there's the old heater core. Alright, and that's what I'm replacing. And I'm also gonna replace the evaporator core for the AC as well. And the heater core area looks pretty good, looks pretty clean, but it's not bad for, 30 years. But man, when it comes over to here, where this comes down through the top of the car, oh man, it's just unbelievable. All right, thanks.